Quick video demonstration how to connect the Hollyland Lark 2 Lavalier mic, wireless lavalier mic, to your iPad. And we're going to listen to the audio without the mic and then with the mic. So let's get to it. Okay, here is the Hollyland Lark 2 receiver connected to the iPad. That's exactly what it looks like. And now we're going to listen to it without the Lark and then with the Lark as it's connected here. By the way, that blue light means that it's ready to go and it's ready to pick up sound. And if you click on this little yellow button and it turns green, that's a noise cancellation feature. But we're going to listen to both of them without and with that feature. And we're also going to put a little wind protector on the mic. So let's go check that out. This is video reference and audio reference of the sound of the iPad with its internal microphones. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This is before I connect the Hollyland audio lavalier mic, which you have in here. Okay, so I'm charging this now and it has a connection, which is lightning bolt. Just going to go right into the iPad, and then we're going to listen to the sound for the next video and see what we're getting, see if there's any difference, and we'll have a little sound comparison. All right. Okay, we are now connected to the iPad via the receiver. Light is blue here on the mic itself, the lavalier. I also have a wind protection that goes in front of it. But one thing I want to mention, so if you click on it and it turns green, this is a noise cancellation feature on it. So that means it's going to give you a more direct sound, and it's going to try to cut out as much ambient sound. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Maybe you can hear the difference. Audio check 1, 2, 3. But if we turn it off, then our voice is going to be more pronounced. It's going to pick up more of the sound and surroundings. So that's exactly what that is. But let's put it on the little protection here for the wind, and we can still reach our button, so we can change to, let's have it to blue so we have the full range of sound. So there we go. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm talking close to the camera. There's the Hollyland Lark 2. Audio check 1, 2, and I'm going to step away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Audio check 1, 2, 3. So we're getting, it's about 4 feet away from the iPad. Audio check 1, 2. This is about 2 feet away. Audio check 1, 2. So there it is. It's for reference, and let's listen back to it.